In this video, we're going to talk about point alignment. So let's make a shape here. So we've got some points to work with. Okay, now let's select the points we want aligned. So we will select this whole side of the shape. And now there's a button up here called Align Points. You can also find it under Vector, where's it? Deform. Yeah, it's a deformer. And you can do it that way. So let's say Align Points, and it does this, which you might be wondering, that's not at all what I wanted. But that's just because it's aligning it to the top when what I wanted was for it to be aligned to the right. So clicking on the right aligns all the points based on whatever the rightmost point of the selected set of points was. So that's how that works. And you can come back here and still make changes in it, and it updates. So you might be wondering what this rotation value for, because if you use it like this, it's like, okay, that's interesting, but I don't know how useful that would be. The reason it does this is, let's make a new shape here. Let's actually go with a rectangle so it's very easy to see. And just give it a couple segments here. Okay, so let's say we have this rectangle, and let's rotate the layer. Okay, so now, if we have some points selected, let's say we'll do these 3 points here. And now if we run the alignment, let's do the same way. We'll align it to the rightmost edge. It is vertically aligned to the viewport. But because the layer is rotated, the command had to insert a rotation value here to counteract the rotation of the layer. Because without that, it's going to align it to the layer, to the layer's coordinate space, which sometimes that's what you want, but sometimes that's not what you want. So I added this rotation because I think to the average user, when they run the command, they expect it to be aligned to the viewport. But if that's not what you wanted, you can just zero out the rotation right here. Okay, so I mean, it's a pretty simple tool, and that's how the align points works. Oh, and also, it can work on any component mode, but it's gonna, whatever you do, it's gonna convert that component selection to points. So even if you're in the spans and you run the command, it's gonna convert it to points. Just something to be aware of. Thanks for watching.